The S-Series cameras have a feature called high-speed video. This is available in the creative video mode on the mode dial on top of the camera. Now this allows you to shoot video in slow motion. Let me show you how it works. I'm going to push the menu set button. You'll notice that we're automatically in the video camera setting here. We're on the image format page and we're in high-speed video. So now I'm going to push the right button here and I'm going to scroll up, and you'll see here that it says 48 and this is 24 frames per second basically. So this is basically telling you that this is half speed slow motion. Now I can go up to 60 frames per second in 4K and I can go up to 180 frames a second in HD 1080p. That's how the high-speed video feature works on the Lumix S-Series cameras.
Panasonic.